If you need to recover deleted files from an SD card on Mac, then lucky you, because you're in the right place. And yes, even files that you thought would be gone forever can still be recovered. Whether your photos disappeared after an SD card format, or that your videos vanished after a system crash, or even after you've accidentally emptied the recycle bin, well, this guide will walk you through all of the fastest fixes available right now. So stick around, because in the next few minutes, you'll have your files back once again. But before we dive in, Wondershare Recoverit is the tool that we are using today. So grab it for free using the link in the description down below. Now, let's get into the video. SD cards are fragile little things. You pull one mid-transfer, or your Mac throws an error or a virus, sneakily enters one, or even worse, the whole card shows up as raw and is completely unreadable. The point is, these are all classic data loss scenarios, and they can happen to everyone, from wedding photographers to professional videographers shooting in 4K and 8K, to even content creators making videos out of their rooms. Yeah. But there are good news, of course, or else we wouldn't be in this video. So if you haven't written new data over this formatted SD card, then it means that the data is still physically present over there. The card just marks that space as available. So with the right tool, you can recover all those files. So there is one critical condition right now that you have to do, which is do not use that card. Put it away and only use it to get the files back right now, hopefully, while you're watching this video. After that, you can use it however you want. So let me show you the steps how to recover those lost files. Let's first connect your SD card to your Mac using a card reader or the built-in slot if your Mac has one. Then let's open Wondershare Recoverit. Again, the download link is in the description below, so go ahead and grab it for yourself. Then let's select location, and on the main screen, you'll see all connected drives and devices. So find your SD card in the list and click on it to select it. Then let's scan the drive. So hit the start button and Recoverit runs a quick scan first, which only takes a few seconds, and then pulls up recently deleted files right away. If that doesn't surface, then what you need is a deep scan, which kicks in automatically. It digs through every sector of the card to reassemble even fragmented files. You can pause and resume the scan at any time you'd like. Now let's preview and recover. So before you save anything, click individual files to preview them. Photos, videos, documents, all of it. So you know exactly what you're getting back. Select everything you need, then hit recover. Then save the files to your Mac, not back into the SD card that you are currently saving it from. Any other place besides that SD card, please. And that's generally it. 3 very simple steps and your data is back again. And the best thing about this software is that Recoverit supports over 1000 file types, and it works from macOS 10.10 up all the way up to macOS Sequoia. And even better than that is that all of the processing is done locally on your machine, meaning that no upload is done anywhere. So whether this was an accidental deletion, a formatted SD card, or even an emptied recycle bin, well, Recoverit is there for you to get all those files back once again. And guess what? It's not just SD cards. Recoverit covers crashed systems, hard drive problems, NAS servers, and even if you operate on Windows 10 and Windows 11, it also works there. So why not try it for free today using the link in the description down below. Now, if this video helped you in any way, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials just like this video. And if you have any other questions or issues, then drop it in the comments down below. We read through every comment and try to answer as soon as possible. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.